Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. I'm Georgina. If you are new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make palava sauce. We use kontomire, which is cocoyam leaves, for this sauce, and it's so delicious. I hope you're going to give it a try. Let's get started. So I'll use my earthware to grind the egusi. I added in water and then soak it, set it aside until I'm ready to grind. The next thing I'm going to do is take out the stem from the leaves. This is cocoyam leaves, but if you don't have this or you can't find it at where you live, you can use spinach and then it works as well. I think they are almost the same thing. When done, wash it and fold it like so. Slice it into smaller pieces like demonstrated in the video. So this is what you're looking for, just like so. When done, wash it again and then add it to your saucepan. So as you can see, I have a lot of kontomire leaves here which I've sliced them. Wash it again and add it to your saucepan. Looks like a lot, but once it's cooked, it will shrink down and then it will be smaller, so don't worry at all. Close it and let it boil. In the blender, I'll add in red chili pepper, green chili pepper, garlic, ginger, onion, rosemary, and water. I'll blend this until almost smooth. By then the cocoyam leaves has cooked. I'll take it off from the fire, drain the water and keep it aside. The next thing I'm going to do is add olive oil, a little bit of olive oil to my saucepan, and palm oil as well. So if you want, you can use only palm oil. I then added in the blended onion mix, give it a stir. I'll leave it for it to steam for about 3 minutes. Hey, yes, and I almost forgot my how do they call it, my momoni, the fermented salted fish. I almost forgot it, but it is never too late than ever. So I added it to it and then added in my fresh tomatoes. I then rinsed the blender and added in more water to cook or to help cook the tomatoes. I'll close it and leave it to cook, or for the fire to do its job. Whilst the stew is cooking, I'll go ahead and grind the melon seeds. So once it's almost grinded or almost smooth, I'll add in chopped onion and then add in a little bit of water if needed. I'll grind it until it's almost smooth. But if you don't have earthware, you can use your blender, add in onion, add it to your blender and then blend until it's smooth. When it's smooth, set it aside and come back to the stew. So for the stew, as you can see, it's almost cooked. I'll give it a quick stir and then add in the rest of the ingredients. I'll add in smoked catfish and fried meat. You can use any meat of your choice. I'll give it a stir again and add in 1 shrimp cube, vegetable seasoning, and salt. So you can use any seasoning of your choice. I'll give it a quick stir, cover it and let it cook for some minutes. After some minutes, I'll add in the kontomire, which is the cocoyam leaves. So if you are not using cocoyam leaves, you can use spinach. So at this point, you can add in your spinach and the stew is almost ready. I'll stir it, not forgetting my pomo. The wele was already cooked, so I did not want to cook to make it more tender. That's why I added it at that point. But if you want, you can add it to the stew at the initial stage. I added half of the egusi to the stew and then the half I added in some eggs, whisk until it comes together and then pour it on top of the stew. I'll wait for it to cook for some minutes, for about 3 minutes, before digging in with a spoon. Basically this is it. It's simple, it's easy, and trust me, it's so delicious. It's yummicious, and I hope you're going to give this video a try. Lastly, I'll add in chopped red onion, and then at this point you can taste if the salt is for your liking. If it's okay, you are done, you've reached your destination, and you are good to go. This is so delicious. It can be eaten with rice, yam, cooked plantain, potatoes, name it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you're going to give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, comment, follow my page, and guys, I love you all. See you in my next video. Till then, adios. And this is ready, guys. It was so delicious, and I wish you are here to join me finish this amazing food. So I ate mine with cooked yam, and it was so delicious. You are invited. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.